Hello everyone, welcome again in a new video which will be about Bios repair. We have a case in ARS server, the Discord server, and in this case the guy is requesting Bios repair of a Lenovo desktop machine after getting an issue about the flashing BIOS. So while he was flashing the BIOS, there was a power loss, so the BIOS was not flashed properly, so which means that the machine will not display any longer if it powers, or it may even refuse to power. So as you have seen at the beginning of the video, we will see together how we can build a full BIOS image for this case using official files. So as it's a Lenovo, and Lenovo support offers also the ME region file, executable file, so we will use both files, BIOS image file, executable file of course, and the executable ME file also, from which we will extract the binary files for both, of course, for BIOS region and ME region, and then we will replace the BIOS region in the original file, which we have here linked with the request. So let's download it to begin with this case. So let's put it in here. Let's create a folder with the name the guy, which is Winko. So still remember the name because I have already done this case, so I just want to do a video about it to show everyone how I did that using LBE++, and in fact we can do it using do it manually using other tools, and if it's necessary, if you wish that I may made a video about that, just tell me in the comments. So let me know in the comments if you want to know how to do that manually, and I will do a video about that. Why I am using LBE++ in this video? Simply because it's my favorite tool and it makes things easy and quick. So it's a good tool when it comes to proper work and time saving. So we have our original file downloaded. Let's show it in folder here. And as we got the power loss during the BIOS update, so we will just replace the BIOS region in our file. And let's close all these folders. We will replace the BIOS region with the official one, and then do clear me using the official ME file. And the guy here already offered the link to his executable file, but I'm not going to use this link. Why? Simply because I don't want any surprise with this case. So in order to avoid any loss of time without any positive result, I advise people to search for the executable file using the serial number, but we don't have the serial number in this post. It's not an issue, we will find it. So let's show you how you can find the serial number in Lenovo files. So it's easy. In fact, let's just do Control F on our keyboard and we will use this number, the model number of our machine. Let's paste it here. Check this box all. Okay, we got it, and there will be the serial number somewhere here, and here it is. Let's copy it, and now let's go to Lenovo support. Yes, Lenovo support. Lenovo. Sorry, it's Lenovo, not Lenovo. Lenovo. I am tired and I can no longer see clearly what is on the screen. So we open the first result. We go to view PC here and we paste the serial number and hit enter on the keyboard. We got the appropriate result. So we go to drivers and software and we opt for manual update, and we go to BIOS, and in some cases in Lenovo support we got among the files there, we got the management engine, but in this case we don't get it here. We don't got it here, so we will just download the BIOS file, BIOS region now, BIOS update image, and I am going to download this one, ISO image. So this is the readme, and this is the file that from which we will extract the BIOS region. Let's download it. Let's put it in our main working folder, which is Penguinco in this case, but let's create another folder inside the main working folder. Let's just call it Bios.exe, like this. Open it and let's save. Go to our working folder, open here, and for this one you just right click and extract here, and you will get the BIOS here, the BIOS region. This is the BIOS region, and if you go down you will notice the right footer structure here. So this is how the signature of any Intel BIOS looks like. Let's close. Let's copy this image for copy, just copy. Let's keep it there and let's put it on the main folder where we have the original BIOS image of our machine. Now what we need is to search for main region of this one. So Control V, and let's do this at the ME. Let's see if we can get something. So Lenovo Think Center M7110, is that what we have? Yes. Micro tower. No. Sorry, let's go back. Let's check what do we have. Is it a micro tower here? Yes, we have. So we have all this. So let's go forward. Check this result. No, that's not the one. No, that's not what we need. Let's do here management join update. like this. So let's open this in a new tab. Now we are in the 10MQ. Sorry, we have here M710Q, same thing, and this is the tape number, and here is the executable file for our machine. Let's check the readme, and you just click here, you will get this new page, and here is our model. It's present here, M710Q, and this file is in fact appropriate for all these machines, so it can be used with any one of these machines. So we have all the models with which we can use this file here. Let's close this and let's download the executable file. So let's go to main working folder, create another folder, let's call it ME.exe. So to keep things clear and ordered, let's save. So let's go back to our working folder. Let's open the ME.exe folder, and here we have the file. So for this one we need to use either you can use Lenovo extractor. This one, you just drag and drop the file here, and here is the bin file, and you just do the same thing. You drag and drop the file here. We have it here. This is the file. In our case, we will use LBE. So we go to Lenovo tools, we open the executable file here. Let's go to Bios.exe. Sorry, what happened? Let's wait. I hope I'm not going to be obliged to restart. No, that's fine. Bios.exe, RS here, Winco, and me. So we give the tool the file, and we check this me here. Check me existence. We either uncheck this or leave it. It doesn't matter, because the tool will either ways try to search if there is a BIOS image on the executable file, which in fact should be fixed on LBE++. When we uncheck this, it should only look for the me existence and nothing else. But anyway, let's proceed. We will get a folder on the ME.exe folder. We will get another folder which will be named, where is it? Normally we should get a folder here. Yes, this is one, the output, LBE output. It has the name of the executable file. So as I said, we got this detect all signature or BIOS image only. Should we detect UEFI BIOS image only? Yes, no, it doesn't matter what we answer here because the file doesn't have in fact any BIOS image. So you just click no and okay here. So we have this file which with this folder which we have to open, and in app folder we have the file, and if we open it, and let's open the one which we have extracted using Eno like this, and if we analyze them we will get identical files. So the files are identical. So you either use Eno Extractor or LBE++. For LBE++ users, just use your LBE++ for anything. So it can do everything. You don't need any other extra tool. So we have the management engine. Let's copy it and let's put it on the main working folder. So now what do we need? We have to build our image. So we have the BIOS region, here it is. We have the management engine file, and we have the original BIOS image. So we go back to our LBE, we go to utility, we go to BIOS separate repair. What we have to do now is just replace the BIOS region with the new one downloaded from the Lenovo support. So we go to select file for repair, we open our repair, we give the link or the address of our DAM to the tool, here it is, and we check the box of BIOS region and we give it the link to our BIOS region, which is this one, and we push this replace in old file button like this, and we already got the file ready to be saved. Let's keep the generated name, and here we got it. So the folder is opened automatically by LBE. Let's just close it and keep this one which we have already opened. So we got this file, and for the original one we can delete it. We don't need it anymore, just delete it. Okay, now we need to do clean me. So we go to our LBE, we go to ME support tools, we go to open file, and we choose the modded one, of course. And here we have the list of ME files, but we will use this one. But the issue with the LBE++ is that it doesn't allow to open any flash image tool here until you choose a file here. So in our case, in which we will use this file, it doesn't matter which file we choose here, because that will simply allow us to open the flash image tool here to work with. So it doesn't matter which file you choose here, as far as you won't use that file, because that file will be loaded here as a spare me. It will have the name of spare me ready to use with the original DAM. But in our case we have this one, which is a new file from Lenovo support. So but let's first analyze the original file. We hit enter on the keyboard, and we have what we need here. And just to be sure that this is the right file, we may analyze it also by opening it here. Just ignore this. It just tells that this is not a BIOS signature. This is not a proper BIOS image. So BIOS structure error, please be sure BIOS signature is valid. So you just ignore by clicking OK, and you push the analyze button. You will get the ME analyzer. Again, enter on your keyboard, and let's compare with what we have on the original BIOS image. So chipset SKU for the tape, here we have extracted, here we have stock, that's normal. This one is a stock file from Intel ready to be used, and it's unconfigured, and here it's initialized. So what we need to check is same SKU, same chipset, same SKU. If there's the power down mitigation, we have to check it. If it's no, it should be no on both. If it's yes, it should be yes on both, and we don't have it here with this file. And for the version, it doesn't matter the version, because this one is a new one and this one is the old one. So this file can be used with our machine, and in fact we have downloaded from the right place for the appropriate, for the same model of machine we have. So let's go now to our tool. Again, we have to open the original or the modded file here, and randomly choose any file here, and let's check which flash image tool version will do the work with us here. So we have 11.8.19, and I am looking in the file updated from downloaded from Lenovo support, because I'm going to use this file, not this one, not the same version as we have in the original file. So that's what I'm looking here. 11.8.92. let's choose same version if we have. If we don't have, we have to choose the nearest one. So the nearest one here is 11.8.86. let's open it, reduce this, keep this like this. So waiting for flash image tool to be opened, and it will be opened on the second screen, but don't worry, I will bring it there for you. And we go to file, open, we open the modded one, of course. The original file, we have deleted it to avoid any mistake. Open, and then we go to build. So let's wait, we go to build setting, and generate intermediate files should be no, and we may also put this enable boot guard on no, as we will answer for the open up message concerning this one anyway, so we don't have to either we keep it yes or no, it doesn't matter. If you keep it yes here, you have to answer to the warning message which will pop up when building the image. Close. This is all what we need. And if it's a laptop, you may need to take a look here to integrated sensor hub, especially these ones, when it's about a laptop which has a touch screen. Anyway, that will be subject of another video, not this one. So let's save as, let's keep the default name, and there we have it. Let's close the flash image tool for the moment, and now let's copy the ME file, and let's go to the folder which has the name of our modded file, this one, and go to the comp folder, and there you paste the ME file, and you go to the original one, this one, ME region. If F2 on your keyboard, Ctrl X to take out the name, and choose this one, F2 to rename with the name ME region. You either keep this one or delete it, it doesn't matter. It won't stop the flash image tool from doing its job, as the flash image tool will search for ME region and not any other thing, and the other files, of course, to build the image. Okay, now again let's open the flash image tool. Here, let's go back to our working folder, which is Penguinco. Let's wait for the flash image tool to be opened on the second screen, and we will bring it here, and we go to file, open what, the untitled configuration file, this one. Let's wait. So you go to build image like this, and we will get our out image here. Here it is. So we have our out image ready for use. I already have done this case, in fact, and already answered the guy here. So let's just download the file, and let's just download the file and compare it with our file, which we have cleaned right now. So let's download. Sorry, I was disturbed by a guy who was asking for something, so sorry guys. So I was saying that I have already done the case, and here is the file which I gave in the server, and we will download it to compare it with the file which we have done right now, to see if we have done things correctly. So let's go to working folder, and here we have the file. Let's refresh. Here we have it, and here the out image which we have done just right now. Let's open both files with our hex like this, and let's analyze. Okay, so we have identical files. So this is how you can build your Bios images when it's about Lenovo or Dell. Of course, Dell also offers ME regions, and in fact for all the brands you can do the same thing to build your full Bios image if anything wrong went with your original Bios image, either when trying to flash it with the program, to read it with the programmer, or updating the Bios on your system. I hope things are clear in this video, and as I said in the beginning, you can do all what you have seen in this video manually using this hex, for example, and UEFI tool, and the analyzer, and what else, ME.exe extractor to extract your binary files, the ME region and the Bios region, and you will build manually your full Bios image. So I hope it's clear, and yes, we came to the end of our video. See you in the next one, which I hope will be soon, and till then, bye bye, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.